Hello, everyone. My name is Sabrena, and I'm the programmer for the People's Public Library. Today, for story time, I'm going to be reading Merry Sparkling Christmas by Elizabeth Spur, illustrated by Colleen Madden, and published by Sterling Publishing Company. Copyright 2010. Things that sparkle, things that shine, I reach out to make them mine. Icicles that hang from eaves, frozen droplets on the leaves. Tinsel on the Christmas tree, shiny gifts and some for me. Beneath the tree, a bright red train, a teddy bear, a silver plane, a sparkly stocking holds new toys, a truck for fun, a horn for noise. A wreath of holly blinks and twinkles, cookies, cakes, with glitter sprinkles. A frosty house of gingerbread, and Santa with his treat-filled sled. Dazzle of the city's lights, jewels that sparkle in the night. Time for sleep, my day is done, till first rays of morning sun. Things that sparkle, things that shine, I reach out to make them mine. The end. All right, everybody. We're going to do a song, but first we're going to learn some shapes. So on our Christmas tree, we have a star at the very top. We have a heart, a triangle, a square, a rectangle, and a circle. Now, we're going to sing about drawing these shapes on a Christmas tree. Are you ready?
Come on, let's get ready to draw. Let's draw shapes on a Christmas tree. La 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 la, la 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 la. So much fun for you and me. La 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 la, la 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 la. Draw a circle, draw a square. La 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 la. Let's draw shapes on a Christmas tree. La 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 la. Great.
Try something shapes.
Now let's draw a
Triangle.
La 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 la. Now let's draw a rectangle. La 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 la. Draw a star. Draw a heart. La 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 la. Draw a shape on a Christmas tree. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Very good. That song will be linked in the description below. Well, next let's read My Two Holidays, a Hanukkah and Christmas story, written by Danielle Novak and illustrated by Phyllis Harris, published by Cartwheel Books, copyright 2010. One cold December morning, Sam woke up and looked out his window. Everything was covered with white snow. Winter was Sam's favorite time of year. He loved sledding, ice skating, building snowmen, and of course, celebrating the holidays. He was so excited that he jumped out of bed, got dressed, and ran downstairs. In the living room, the Christmas tree sparkled with ornaments and twinkling lights. Sam had helped make strings of cranberries and popcorn for the tree. In the kitchen, the silver menorah gleamed on the windowsill. Sam had helped polish the old menorah, which used to belong to his grandmother. "Have some breakfast, Sam," said his mother. "Did Santa come yet?" he asked. "Not yet. There are a few more weeks to go until Christmas," his mother answered. "What about Hanukkah?" Sam asked. "Can we light the menorah candles tonight?" "No, Hanukkah is almost here, but it doesn't start tonight," said his mother. He would just have to wait a little longer. At Sam's school, the classroom had been decorated for the holidays. Miss Nancy played piano while the children sang the 12 Days of Christmas and I Have a Little Dreidel. Sam loved singing holiday songs. He knew all the words and sang in the loudest voice he could. Then Miss Nancy said, "Today we are going to learn about the holidays that people celebrate at this time of year. Some people celebrate Christmas. Some people celebrate Hanukkah. Some people celebrate Kwanzaa. How does your family celebrate?" "My family celebrates Christmas," said Jack. "We put lights on our Christmas tree, and Santa slides down the chimney to leave us presents while we're sleeping." "My family celebrates Hanukkah," said Maya. "We light the menorah every night for 8 nights and play dreidel." As each child described their special holiday, Sam didn't feel so excited anymore. He started to feel nervous and confused. All the other kids had just one holiday. Why didn't he? Finally, it was his turn. "How do you celebrate, Sam?" asked Miss Nancy. Sam looked around the room. His mouth was dry and his hands were clammy. "Which one is it?" asked Jack. All the children stared at him, waiting for an answer. His face felt hot. He was too embarrassed to say he celebrated 2 holidays. I, 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 Sam stammered, and he ran into the bathroom. He stayed there for a long time. When he came out, the class was doing arts and crafts. He was very quiet until it was time to go home. I don't want to go to school anymore, Sam told his mother. What happened? She asked. Sam told her about the teacher's question and about hiding in the bathroom. I wish we just celebrated one holiday. It's weird to have two. Sam's mother hugged him. Actually, many people celebrate both Christmas and Hanukkah. It's very special to have two holidays. Then she explained, Your dad is Christian, and he has always celebrated Christmas. We decorate the tree and hang stockings by the fireplace. Santa will leave you lots of presents, and Nana and Papa will come for turkey dinner on Christmas Day. I love Christmas, said Sam. I am Jewish, continued his mother, so I have always celebrated Hanukkah. This menorah has been in our family for generations. My grandmother gave it to my mother, then my mother gave it to me. Every year, we light the candles for 8 nights. We give one another presents, play dreidel, and eat latkes, potato pancakes fried in oil with applesauce and sour cream. I love latkes, said Sam, and I love Hanukkah too. Sam smiled as his mother hugged him. You see, she said, Christmas and Hanukkah are about celebrating our love as a family. It's one of the things that makes our family special. The next day, Sam marched into his classroom with his head held high. He did not feel embarrassed anymore. Sam sang the holiday songs in a loud, clear voice. Then Miss Nancy said it was time for recess. Wait, said Sam. Yesterday I didn't get to tell the class how my family celebrates the holidays. All the kids looked at him. Well, okay, Sam, said Miss Nancy. Go ahead. My family celebrates Christmas and Hanukkah, said Sam. I get Santa and locks and stockings and a menorah. The kids were quiet. Then they started to smile. Jack said, That's really cool. Maya said, You are so lucky. Miss Nancy said, Thank you for telling us about your two holidays. After that, Sam felt great. He was so excited for the holidays. It's okay to be a little different, Sam told his parents when he got home. Celebrating Hanukkah and Christmas means more fun and lots of love. I can't wait for my two holidays. The end. All right, everybody. Now we're going to make a tiny little bow with this pipe cleaner. And it goes on our wreath craft that is in the description below. Or you can pick up the to-go craft till the end of December to make this wreath. So you're going to do is you're going to make a loop like that, and then you're going to make another loop. Oh. And I've already messed up. There we go. So you kind of cross the ends to make your loop and pull this part down. So kind of like that, and then you pull it down. And then in the middle, you're going to grab the whole thing and you're going to twist and then twist it again so that your feet are down at the bottom. And that's how you make your little bow. And then you glue that onto the bottom. All right. Also, in the description below is a hoopla recommendation for Finding Nemo, A Big Blue Christmas by various authors. All right, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye!